Everyone calm down.
Toad, pack our things.
Let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mario Character Costume Contest. Peach, Rosalina, Mario, Bowser, and Luigi.
The prize for the winner is the character GUGUGAGA.
Hello!
Rumi.
I wanna be your lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. Your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. Your love, your love, your love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
Yes.
Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Lily LOVEBRAIDS.
Best thing that has ever happened to you. Lights go off, don't be scared. In the dark I feel the glow, soft and sweet but something slow. Step by step I take the floor. You've never seen this side before. Hear the sound, feel the beat, little echoes in your feet. Turn around, take a look, you're inside my little world. In the dark we shine so bright, cute but strange in neon lights. Step by step we steal the show. Watch us glow, glow, glow. We don't hide, we don't run. Playing shadows just for fun. If you stay, you will know this is how we run the show. Don't look back, feel the track. Nice and slow, watch us go. Colors fade but we still shine, soft and sharp at the same time. Every move, every glance pull you deeper in this dance. Is it real or just a dream? Nothing here is what it seems. Take
Nope.
Feel the track. Nice and slow, watch us glow. Colors fade but we still shine, soft and sharp at the same time. Every move, every glance pull you deeper in this dance. Is it real or just a dream? Nothing here is what it seems. Take my hand, don't let go. Now you're part of the show. In the dark we shine so bright, dancing through the silent night. Step by step, feel the flow. We're the stars you'll never know.
Jinu.
Round one, fight!
Round two.
Oh my gosh!
Yay!
Yeah. Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see
Okay.
you probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. Your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive to all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and
Oh,
I.
wow!
That'd be nice. Oh, do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Yeah, I see you there biting your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Alright, skip the chit chat, that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way, cause I can hear a thing. Wanna get some air to breathe, cause I can.
Elsa.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Wow. Yes!
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say.
Woody Red Cape.
I have my issues, problems with trust. You were the problem, to you I was dust. I could smell trouble from miles away. Oh no! But now I'm different, yeah, I'm okay. You had your reasons, you did your best, but the one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change that. I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one. I still remember those things you did. Yeah, they still linger, still hurt a bit. Might hurt forever, yeah, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that day. I wanted space, you wanted trouble.
vote to name the character, there's a Goo Goo Gaga doll.
I'm not the